With grocery prices seeming to increase all the time, it can be tough for college students living on their own for the first time, learning how to find savings. Reporter Belle Johnson sat down with a Troy economics professor to learn how college students and others can save on groceries.
Let's say you do run out of points on your card for school or whatever, it is hard to have to continue to go keep buying groceries because it's so expensive.
Budgeting for groceries can be difficult for college students, especially with the rising cost of grocery store prices.
I really just like to go get things that I like that aren't as expensive that I would still eat and just get a multitude of. Even if you get tired of eating the same thing every day, it's just better than having to go spend more and more money.
John Dove, an economics professor at Troy, recommends students take a similar approach to McCall and limit the number of trips to the store.
Trying to put together one list each week and do your grocery shopping at that one time.
Impulse buying can also be an issue.
If you're walking into the store multiple times a week and you happen to see those items that normally you wouldn't buy, but there you were, and you end up throwing more things in your cart than you were expecting.
According to a study by Consumer Affairs, online grocery shopping increased 8% from last year as people fight the urge to get items they don't need.
They have online apps that you can get that can allow you to make your own grocery list. They'll provide the coupons right there, and so you can find easy, quick ways to add some additional savings by just doing that weekly plan.
Dove says eating the same meal multiple times a week can help lower grocery costs as well.
Leftovers are always a good option, so actually preparing food in bulk and then maybe eating the same meal 2 or 3 times over a week can definitely help cut down those costs.
Lastly, Dove says to look online for easy recipes you can cook at home. Belle Johnson, Troy, TrojanVision News.
Dove also suggests finding lower cost places to shop at and to reduce the time you may eat out.